Welcome everyone to another Monday night at the Beat Host All-Nighter. We had a great all-nighter. Thank you, Ayano and Felipe, for hosting. They will host again next month. What was the topic for this class?
Space hold.
Space hold, right. So what's the general idea? What is a space hold? To lead your partner to stay in place, or to not lead your partner
So they stay
in place.
Lead to stay in place.
So they don't stay in place.
Right, ideally that's the way I think about it, but in a way, if I may with Cristina, one hand is doing one thing, another hand is doing the other thing, kind of. Because the embrace is what? Symmetric?
Asymmetrical.
Asymmetric. I'm going to turn so we can see in the camera. So, what is the left hand doing?
Staying in place.
Not moving. What's the right hand doing?
Release.
Releasing. So the right hand's like doing nothing for a lead. The left hand is leading my partner to stay there. How many points of connection?
3.
If my partner is going to follow me, what do I do with all those points? What do we call that? The one voice. Yeah, ideally my partner's trying to decide where to go, what to do. So if I take away 2 of those points, my partner is going to probably just stay there.
Followers, ideally, when we are led to just stand on one foot, how can we stand, how can we secure that one leg onto the floor? What kinds of things are we thinking about? All 4 corners on the floor, magnets in the inner thighs, yes? And how we stack all our major joints on top of those 4 corners.
That was kind of the chapter 1 thing. What was chapter 2? A long time ago.
Leaders do ochos and lead the side step.
Yes. So I can lead my partner to do ochos?
No. Followers, the leader is leading the follower to do a side step while the leader is doing the ocho.
Well, that was part of chapter 1 though.
Shoot.
Let's say 1.5. So, follower's doing side step, I'm doing ocho.
And ideally, leaders, what kinds of side step are you trying to lead here to communicate? Long or short?
Long.
Long. And it's nice and easy, right? We're not really doing it fast. Yeah? The slower you can lead that side step, the longer step your follower can make, the more time you have to prepare for your ocho.
And leaders could just do this, but now you're just trying to pivot elegantly. But still involving the space hold. And now, what would be the next step of that ladder?
We combine it, right?
Yeah, we combine them. Simultaneous would be the hardest version, but I lead Cristina to do ochos, or then...
We go to the right, so we're not.
So I can lead Cristina to do ochos after the second step, or on the second step I'm in the slot. Or I can switch to ochos and lead her to do side step. And then we talked about harder variations, which were, Peter?
Both to the finger.
And finally,
Sakata.
yeah.
Who's Sakata? Who's doing the followers? The followers.
Follower take this.
So how do we set it up? We step towards what side of the embrace?
Open.
Open. In the line or slightly away?
Slightly away.
Slightly away. And then do we turn and step at the same time?
No.
Well,
You reach.
you mark the center, and as you're arriving, what's happening? You're turning. So as you transfer weight, you're turning.
and followers were trying to make a long reaching forward step around the new axis that our leader is making. Yeah? So we're going from a linear type of movement to a circular type of movement.
Do a little demo if you need.